folks, I have a little repair to show you today. It is the year of the Supertone is continuing apparently. I did so many Supertone ukes last year. That's like a brand name made by the Harmony Factory in the teens and 20s. And sometimes they're pretty inexpensive instruments. Sometimes they're really nice. In this case, this is a model I've done tons of recent in the last year or two. It's sent by a customer for me to work on, and it's this beautiful curly mahogany, rope binding and everything. It's a soprano, of course. Yeah, beautiful curly wood, rope binding here, rosette, rope binding down the middle. They're obviously copying, Hawaiian instruments from this time, but made in Chicago. So what did we do on this? Let's see. The bridge was in the wrong spot, so we put that on. Then the bridge needed to be cut down and a new saddle carved into the top. The neck needed to be glued back on. The neck joint on these is a butt joint with a dowel, and they usually fail over time. So I have a couple tricks to get them to stick long term, but we used hide glue for that and everything. New tuners. These are little Grover tuners. They're about as good as you can get for an inexpensive modern friction tuner. New strings. Did work on the saddle. We had to replace 2 of the frets and then do lots of fret work. What else? I think that's it. Oh, then we had to dress the frets a lot on the sides. They were really sticking out bad. So yeah, I mean, now it's like what I think you get out of an instrument like this. I mean, it has that 19 teens and 20s sound without having to buy a priceless antique, you know. Although it's like we did so much work on an instrument like this, it's kind of better than it was when it was made. And mainly that's because of action and string height. The old ones, just the action is so high that for a modern player you can't even play to the 5th or 7th fret. But we got that going on this one. So yeah. It's got a nice voice. And I have some repairs lined up for this year, so stay tuned to see what else we come up with. Cheers.